guys, it's Rima Noor again with you with another solution. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to reopen closed tabs in Google Chrome. So for that, simply open your Google Chrome. So now guys, I'm going to open Gmail in this tab. So guys, here you can see we have opened Gmail in one tab. So now I'm going to open another tab and close this one. So now to reopen that tab, here you can see this plus sign, right click on it, and then here you can see reopen closed tab. So guys, here you can see we have reopened closed tab. So guys, you can also reopen a closed tab by a simple shortcut. So I'm going to show that. So simply again close this tab and then guys click on Control plus Shift plus T. And guys, here you can see we have successfully opened the closed tab. So guys, this was an easy way to reopen closed tabs in Google Chrome. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. Have a great day.